a lot of new things are happening in CAR T cells. One is to produce CAR T cell in a quick way, as I mentioned. Number two, trying to utilize increasing the expression of the antigen BCMA by using agents like gamma secretase inhibitor. That's an ongoing study. Number three, using allogeneic products so it can be produced much quicker as well. And then coming up with alternate targets. GPRC5D is another alternate target. There was a phase 1 study reported recently, shows very exciting responses in this patient population, including those who had a previous BCMA treatment. So I think a lot of innovative things are happening. One biggest change that will happen and that we are observing in the commercial setting is patients are beginning to get some maintenance. So the incredible response we get with CAR T can be maintained, and maybe potentially it will lead to a cure.